Sound check, test mic 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Test mic. Okay, good evening to all. Medyo na-delay lang. Technical problems. Good evening to all. Today na po tayo sa ating pag-review ng Master Plumber Board Exam. Tapos na natin yung part questions and answers. Now, back tayo sa part 1, then part 3, part 4. Medyo dadamihan na natin yung review kasi malilik na yung nagre-review para makahabol for na July 16-17 board exam. Okay. Sige, tuloy muna tayo. Before we proceed, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, MCGI Channel, for question, uncertainties in life. You can find answer in that, and encourage you to also to subscribe to the following channel, BRICE, Joanna's Adventure, Tatay Varilla, and Alexandria Varilla. Mahilig mag-shopping, commercial muna tayo. Lazada, Artahanan, Cosiness and everything. Lazada, Artahanan, your shopping spree starts here. Yan, reviewin lang natin ito ulit. Master Plumber review, board exam composed of 4 parts. Naming arithmetic, 10%. Part 2, sanitation. Naming design installation, 40%. Part 3, plumbing code, 10%. And part 4, practical problems, 40%. Dito tayo sa 10%. Hindi ibig sabihin na 10% lang siya sa percentage sa board exam. Hindi na tayo tututok. Marami yan. So, dapat naka 50% man lang tayo ng tamang sagot. So, dapat makuha natin yung 5% at least sa lahat ng subject para makapasa. Pero dapat ang average is 70. Okay, plumbing arithmetic part 1. 10% composed of modern algebra, trigonometry, geometry, physics, and financial arithmetic. So, pero dito ngayon, focus tayo sa mga elements, plumbing arithmetic elements, yung mga terms, ganyan, yung tututukan natin yan. Tuloy na tayo. Question number 1. For a given function, it's found that ft is equal to f minus t. What type of symmetry post ft have? The answer is even symmetry. For a given function, it's found that ft is equal to f minus t. What type of symmetry post ft have? The answer is even symmetry. Number 2, which number has 4 significant figures? So, ito yung mga pipilian. Ilagay ko lahat. The answer is B. 0.01414. This is the number with significant figures. Question number 3. Naperian logarithm. Medyo hindi bagay yung sounds natin. If about this closest to which number? The answer is 2.72. Naperian logarithm have a base closest to which number? The answer is 2.72. Question number 4. The second derivative of the equation of curve is equal to the negative the equation of the same curve. The curve is, what is the answer? Curve is a sinusoid. The second derivative of the equation of a curve is equal to negative of the equation of the same curve. The curve is a sinusoid. Okay, question number 5. Medyo maingay. Palitan natin yung tunog. Nangyari dito. To find the angle of a triangle given only the lengths of the sides, one would use what? Ano yung answer natin? Ito yung mga choices. Yan. To find the length of a triangle, given only the lengths of the sides, one would use the law of cosines daw. Pero tingin ko tangents A over B. Pwede rin naman, kung lahat ng sides ay given, pwede rin naman yung law of cosines. Number 6 question. Which is the true regarding the signs of the natural functions for angles between 90 degree and 180 degree? So, the answer is the cosine is negative. So, nire-refresh ko din to yung mga ganitong term kasi it's been 2 decades na yata nung nagpag-aaral ko. Kaya, pardon me kung may mga mali. After all, it is open for correction. And maya na natin nung i-greets yung mga nag-comments nung nakaraan. Number 7, what is the inverse natural function of the cosecant? The answer is sine. What is the inverse natural function of the cosecant? The answer is sine. Number 8, graphical presentation for cumulative frequency distribution in a set of statistical data is called what? The answer is ogive. The graphical presentation of a cumulative frequency distribution in a set of statistical data is called ogive. Number 9, statement of truth of which follows with a little or no proof from a theorem. The answer is corollary. Uy, ba't nagkagay na? Number 10. Ulitin natin number 9. Statement of truth which with a little or no proof from a theorem. The answer is corollary. Number 10. It is a sequence of numbers by such that the successive terms differ from constant. The answer is arithmetic progression. It's a sequence of numbers such that the successive terms differ by a constant. Tama, arithmetic progression niya. Okay, 11. Bisa natin Marami kasi ito. 1,000 to. Frequency curve which is composed of series of rectangles constructed with the steps as the base and the frequency as the height. The answer is histogram. Histogram, a frequency curve which is composed of series of rectangles constructed with the steps as the base and the frequency as the height. Number 12. If a root of an equation are 0, then they are classified as what? Or ano daw siya? The answer is ogive. Uy, ogive ba talaga? Yun. Ang mga may comment kung mali or tama, okay lang naman. At least yan tayo natututo lahat for the benefits of the viewers and sa mga reviewers. Number 13 question. The graphical presentation of a cumulative frequency distribution in a set of statistical data is called blank or what? The answer is trivial solution. A graphical presentation of a cumulate frequency distribution in a set of statistical data is called trivial solution. Number 14. Convergent series is a sequence of decreasing number or when the succeeding term is blank than the preceding term. Yan, answer is lesser than the preceding term. Convergent is a series is a sequence of decreasing number or when succeeding term is lesser than preceding term. Number 15. If A is equal to B, then the B is equal to A. This illustrates what axiom in algebra? Yun. Nagtatakutan na marami. Algebra. Symmetric axiom. The answer. Yun. Check the mic daw. A is equal to B, the B, then is equal to A. This illustrates what axiom in algebra? The answer is symmetric axiom. 16. Yun, 16. That event A will occur is PA, then the probability that A and B will occur is PAB. From these two statements, what is the probability that event B will occur? Okay, ang answer. The answer is, yan na nga ba ang probability? PAB over PA. Excuse me. A and B are independent events. The probability that event A will occur is PA, and the probability that A and B will occur is PAB. From these two statements, what is the probability that event B will occur? The answer is PAB over PA. Number 17. Two or more equations are equal if and only if they have the same blank. The answer is yun. Solution set. Two or more equations are equal if and only if they have the same solution set. Number 18. In any square matrix, the elements of any two rows are what? Answer is 0. In any square matrix, when the elements of any two rows are exactly the same, the determinant is 0. Number 19. Ano nangyari? Number 19. The ratio or product of two expressions in the direct or inverse relation with each other is called what? The answer is constant variation. The ratio or product of two expressions in direct or inverse relation with each other is called constant variation. 20 is a sequence of terms whose reciprocals forms an arithmetic progression. So, ang sagot dyan ay harmonic progression. It's a sequence of terms whose reciprocals form an arithmetic progression. The answer is harmonic progression. 21. Nawala na siya. An array of mx quantities, which represent a single number, represent system composed of elements in rows and column is known as let an array of m by n elements in rows and columns is known as what? The answer is matrix. An array of m by n quantities which represent a single number system composed of elements in rows and columns is known as matrix. Uy, nawala. Ito, 22. Binary number system is a system of notation. Huli na rin siya. For real that is used place value method 2 as the base. What is another number of the binary number system? Name. The answer is Dyadic number system. Binary number system is a system of notation for real number. It uses the place value method with 2 as the base. What's another name of binary number system? The answer is Dyadic number system. Late siya. Talaga lang. Number 23. The number 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Period is a or an. The answer is rational number. Number 24. MC, capital M, C, M, X, C, I4 is the Roman numeral equivalent to. The answer is 1994. M is 1000. CM is 900. XC is 90 and IB is 4. Yan, 1994 siya. Mga nakakalimot. Ayan, remind ko lang. Sequence of numbers where the succeeding term is greater than the preceding term is called what? The answer is Convergent series. Wow, ano nangyari sa iyo? Hindi ko alam ano nangyari sa monitor ko. Okay, bago tayo magtuloy sa next 25 from 26 to 27. Uy, ano nangyari? Yan, tuloy na natin. Ito ba yan? Yun, ito na nga. 26 to 350. Yun, bago natin tuloy. Thank you very much for the contribution of and appreciation of the following. Mr. Eric Magnaye, Sir John Ray Managelod, and Sir John Lawrence Alberto. So, thank you sa yung mga comments, sa mga corrections. So, lahat po ng yung comments, corrections, I will make separate live stream for that. Verified ko lang kasi yung iba may question mark na comment. So, verify din na natin para ma-sure tayo at sabihin ko na din yung reference. Well, thank you very much. Lalo na sa mga in the last month of my stream. Nagdagdagan tayo ng subscribers. Thank you for your, sana nakatulong po ito sa inyo, no? Yun. Tuloy na tayo. Question number 26. Terms that differs only in numeric coefficients are known as blank-like terms. Bakit delayed yung monitor ko? Yan. 27. natin. Uy, nasa na ba tayo? Hindi ko alam kung saan ako tapos. Pero problema tayo sa connection. Stop muna natin. See you live 26 na. Na ba ako natapos? Natapos na ako, nawala. Wala. Yun. Sound check. Okay, para hindi tayo ma-delayed. See you tomorrow. Between 7 and 6. Thank you all.